Ants are everywhere. We see them on sidewalks, in our gardens, even sometimes in our kitchens. These tiny creatures, often dismissed as mere pests, are in fact marvels of nature. They are social insects living in organized colonies with a fascinating complexity that rivals our own societies in many ways. But their world remains largely hidden from our view, a secret realm beneath our feet. Their lives are ruled by industry and cooperation. Every ant you see has a role to play, a job to do for the benefit of the colony. From the moment they hatch, they are part of a complex system that has evolved over millions of years. It's a system that has allowed them to colonize almost every corner of the globe, from deserts to rainforests, becoming one of the most successful groups of animals on Earth. The life of an ant begins with an egg laid by the queen, the heart of the colony. These eggs hatch into larvae, small white grubs entirely dependent on the worker ants for food and care. The workers tirelessly feed and clean the larvae, ensuring their survival. As the larvae grow, they transform into pupae, often encased in silken cocoons. Inside these cocoons, a remarkable transformation takes place. The pupae develop into adult ants, ready to take their place in the colony. This whole process, from egg to adult, can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Ants communicate in a language we can't hear, a language of smells and touch. They use pheromones, chemical signals released from their bodies, to convey complex messages to their fellow ants. A trail of pheromones left by a foraging ant, for instance, can lead its nestmates to a newly discovered food source. But their communication isn't limited to just smells. Ants also communicate through touch, using their antennae to feel and interpret vibrations. This allows them to work together in close coordination, whether they're carrying a large piece of food or building an intricate underground tunnel. Within an ant colony, you'll find a diverse workforce, each ant type with its own specific role. The queen, larger than the other ants, is responsible for laying eggs, ensuring the continuation of the colony. The worker ants, all sterile females, perform various tasks like foraging for food, caring for the young, and defending the nest. Some species have specialized workers, like the soldier ants with their large, powerful jaws for defending the colony. Leafcutter ants, on the other hand, have workers with strong mandibles for cutting and carrying leaves, which they use to cultivate a special fungus for food. Section 5. Astonishing Ant Facts, Surprises from the Undergrowth. The world of ants is full of surprises. Did you know that some species of ants can lift objects 50 times their own weight? That's like a human lifting a car. Some ants, like the honeypot ants, have specialized workers called repletes that store food in their abdomens, becoming living honey jars for the colony. And then there are the trap-jaw ants, capable of snapping their jaws shut at lightning speed, creating one of the fastest animal movements ever recorded. These are just a few examples of the incredible adaptations and behaviors that make ants such successful creatures. Section 6. The ant and the ecosystem. Tiny threads in the web of life. Ants play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. They are important seed dispersers, helping plants reproduce by carrying their seeds to new locations. Their constant digging aerates the soil, improving its drainage and allowing air and water to reach plant roots. Ants also help control populations of other insects, acting as natural pest control. They are also a vital food source for many animals, including birds, reptiles, and amphibians. Their disappearance would have a significant ripple effect throughout the food chain. Section 7. Ants and humans, a complex relationship. The relationship between humans and ants is complex. We often see them as pests invading our homes and gardens in search of food, yet in many cultures, ants are respected for their industriousness and teamwork. In some parts of the world, ants are even considered a delicacy. We can learn a lot from ants. Their ability to cooperate, communicate effectively, and solve problems collectively is remarkable. Studying their behavior can provide valuable insights into areas like swarm intelligence and robotics. Section 8, the future of ants, challenges and conservation. Despite their resilience, ants face growing threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization is a major concern. Climate change poses another challenge, altering temperature and rainfall patterns, potentially disrupting their delicate life cycles. It is crucial that we recognize the importance of ants and take steps to protect them. Creating ant-friendly gardens, reducing pesticide use, and supporting conservation efforts are just a few ways we can help ensure these tiny titans continue to thrive. Section 9. A final word. Appreciation for the tiny titans. The next time you encounter an ant, take a moment to appreciate these tiny creatures. They are more than just pests, they are vital components of our planet's intricate web of life. Their complex societies, fascinating behaviors, and ecological importance deserve our respect and admiration. As we continue to learn more about them, we are sure to uncover even more wonders in the